Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, North Beach local and long-distance movers near me. Moving can be an experience of a lifetime, especially when it is across the country. Whether you are relocating for work, study, or family, or any other reason, 3 Movers understands the challenges and mixtures of emotions you may encounter while moving. We have been serving our clients for more than 20 years, so we know how difficult it can be for you to move. Therefore, hire 3 Movers and rely on us for a stress-free move. Even if you are moving around the corner, you still need a moving company to help you get moved. A local moving company in North Beach can ensure that you have moved to your new home or office in no time. 3 Movers will do everything you wish for. So leave the shifting process to us and rely on us for the safety and security of your belongings. We will get you shifted to your new home within a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.